Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Are you busy right now?
No, I'm free.
Can we talk for a minute?
Yes, sure.
What are you doing today?
I have some work.
Do you have a pen?
Yes, here it is.
Can you help me?
Of course, tell me.
What's the problem?
I forgot my notebook.
Where is your bag?
It's in my room.
Is this your book?
No, it's my friend's.
Who is your best friend?
My classmate Ali.
How long have you?
Known since school days.
Do you meet daily?
Yes, at college.
Do you talk on phone?
Yes, almost daily.
What you talk about?
Studies and fun things.
Do you share secrets?
Only with close friends.
Are you a shy person?
A little bit.
Do you like meeting people?
Yes, new people.
Do you like kids?
Yes, very much.
Do you have cousins?
Yes, many cousins.
Do you play with them?
Yes, on holidays.
What game do you play?
Board games and cricket.
Do you celebrate family functions?
Yes, together.
What you enjoy the most?
Family time and food.
Do you take photos?
Yes, lots of them.
Do you keep photo album?
Yes, since childhood.
Do you like old memories?
Yes, they feel good.
Have you gone to a village?
Yes, my grandparents live there.
Do you like village life?
Yes, it's peaceful.
Have you ever milked a cow?
Yes, once with help.
Do you eat fresh food there?
Yes, from the farm.
Do you walk off early there?
Yes, did the sunrise.
Do you have electricity there?
Sometime, not always.
Do you enjoy staying there?
Yes, a lot.
Do you go there often?
Only in vacation.
Do you write a diary?
Yes, at night.
What do you write?
Daily thoughts and events.
Does it help you?
Yes, feel relaxed.
Do you keep secrets in it?
A few personal things.
Do you log your diary?
No, but I hide it.
Have you ever lost it?
Yes, once at school.
Did someone read it?
I hope not.
Do you like your school?
Yes, very much.
What is your school name?
It is Sunrise School.
What class are you in?
I am in 10th class.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My English teacher.
Why do you like her?
She teaches well.
Do you uniform?
Yes, daily.
What time does school start?
At 9 in the morning.
Do you enjoy school events?
Yes, I join all.
Do you study in group?
Yes, with friends.
What is favorite subject?
I like history.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it.
When did you last travel?
Last winter,
Where did you go?
we went to Lahore.
Who went with you? My family. How did you travel?
By train.